Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thanks for coming back. I hope you all are doing really well. So for today's video I am going to be showing you guys a fairy inspired hijab tutorial. So without any further ado, let's just get on the tutorial. So for today's video I will be using this rectangular scarf, and my scarf is a little bit wide, so I went ahead and folded it just a little bit, as you can see. If your scarf is not really wide, you can go ahead and skip that step. But I felt like folding it because it's a lot of material. Next, I am going to go ahead and place it on top of my head. So next, I am going to go ahead and take this flower crown and I am going to place it right here. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit more. I also want my underscarf to show a little bit. I don't want it completely to disappear. Okay, so I think it's okay. Or maybe is it a little bit too much on my forehead? Maybe now. I'll just leave it like this. I think it's okay. So next I am going to take these two parts of my scarf, and basically I'm going to take them and bring them to the back of my head like so. And then I'm going to place a pin and pin them together so they don't move. Then I am going to adjust them. You can also leave them as tight or as loose as you would like them to be. I think that they are fine like this. I don't want them to be too loose, because then I am not really comfortable. So now I'm going to take the longer side of the scarf that I am left with, and basically I am going to bring it around my head so it covers the headband on the back. So with this part of the scarf, you can either leave it under or bring it to the top. Personally, I like it better here. Then adjust everything. And then you are going to place two pins on each side. So this is the tutorial, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed it, and also if any of you recreate this look, I would love to see it, so please tag me on Instagram. And also if you have any video recommendation, just comment down below. I will gladly do it. And that's it, I guess. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget, be nice to people. Bye!